Okay, so, whoop, there it goes. So you remember the bamboo that we cut? Well, this is them. Well, one of them. Hang on, I've got other things in here too. This is, I don't know what these are, but they're from outside and they're very pretty. They're not taking to inside very well. This is the one that we cut together. Oh, look, his little roots are all wrapped around in a little circle because he's in the spice jar. Wee-lee-lee. Let's see if we can get a, there we go. There's a good shot. Focus. I should have put my tripod up. There we go. So yeah, those are what has grown since we cut it off. And you can see he's still got a really good top. I think we're going to pull these two bottom leaves off and give him a plant up. Let's take a peek here. This is the one I cut a few days before that I did not film. And he looks like he needs to be potted up also. So awesome. And this is that plant that I told you about. Is that connected? That I don't know. That's what it was. It was a cardinal flower, and it's actually doing, okay. Focus. There we go. So I think I'm actually gonna leave him in water because every time I put it in soil, he dies. It's funny enough, it's the same thing with this plant right here. I bought it in soil. He's in a little jar. He's got some duckweed. Where is he? There he goes. But yeah, I really like that plant. It's got a lot of red and a lot of green. It's really pretty. But I can only keep it alive in water. How very strange. And there they are. All potted up. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. As you can see, I've got that little boogaboo sitting right next to it, and he has shown absolutely zero sign of sprouting anything. So, boo on him. So yeah, I just potted these up actually in some little auburn colored or amber colored drinking glasses that I got at the Goodwill for probably, I think it was like 60 or 70 cents each. Terracotta pot. I put some aquarium gravel in the bottom, and it's mostly soil, vermiculite, a little peat moss, some compost soil, perlite, and water. And this one's, I got a little over wet. He's a little soft in there right now, but that'll dry up pretty quick, and I'll be locked in there. I think I'm going to water these like normal plants, since most of my plants have, bamboo has water. So, yeah, there you go. Update complete.